aqui. Ini no macam tu orang semua ni kira le. Phone tu konten tu orang.
Aku lagi kena ni, mesti kaya kudu kah ni aku. Kau ni mesti tu, tu boleh.
Boleh boleh no cukai je le.
Kalau aku tak tu kena. Kaya kudu. Betul ni dah.
Selah, kali kau kira je le.
Kamu apa musuh?
Ya, kau ni apa kira?
Department kan district administration kan sir itu site te visit kuri kena NHIDCL kan ke itu laga area to lot vulnerable ase precautionary measures lubi kuise loa nai aru itia landslide hoi jase sir to itu laga opor ki koi sir.
No, yesterday I had full land meeting with NHIDCL, then the State Department, road sector, disaster, and other senior officers. So we have pointed out all their mistakes. Even in the monsoon preparedness meeting, nobody came out about their apprehension that where we have to give special attention. I chaired a meeting, and so thinking that it is okay, but because of nature fury, you can't predict the weather also. But this thing are, you can see that under black topping, it is only earth filling. There is no strength. So when the water level come up, then it's going to hit everything because it is in the direction. So this, from before, I have seen and I have said that this will not stand. Anyway, unfortunately, in this time, tragedy had happened. Precious lives are lost. Many people are also injured. And the hardship of the truckers and the travelers equally. So we'll try our best to resolve, and as soon as possible, we have discussed. They have also given us assurance, so we'll try to open the traffic as early as possible. Thank you.
The discharge of the river is going to have flash floods in the future, sir, because we're dumping all the excavated rocks over here. So don't you think we are also at risk downstream, the people living there? So is there any plans?
As per specification, they were supposed to cut this rock 40 meters inside.
Yes.
But since it is a giant task, and it's not going to affect only 40 meters, but when they blast, all this thing will come down, continue to come down. So they took a shortcut, and then we are facing this disaster. Okay. And even if they go to the riverside, they should have done the piling, then tie beam, then reinforced inside with a wing. Then it will never fall down. And even water level raise, it should not happen anything. But see, in this portion or that portion, one of the portion was only sausage wall. Yes. Sausage wall, and then they started from the old road foundation. You see, no? So that means they have not gone the foundation below the riverbed.
What is the NHIDCL's response to all of this if they have not done their job properly?
Well, MD is coming on 8th, and we'll have full-length discussion with the department. And I've already informed Prime Minister's office, then your MRTH, and I'll be writing a personal letter for them also to give funding to the state for at least blacktopping this road, and then Pipema to the Chesebasa Highway 61 to connect, so that the flow is smooth.
And more recommendation and information to the NHIDCL. Yes. How much is the state government serious at this moment?
State government is very serious. State government has even filed FIR against them. And when I met the Union Minister, Nitin Gadkari, I said, "Good morning, sir." Then he said, "Rio, you have filed case against my people." I said, "Yes, because they are not doing a good job." Then he said, "Okay, if they are not doing a good job, issue warrant of arrest, non-bailable." That is what he said. And all NHIDC people were called there. So they know the gravity and the situation, and the citizens of the Nagaland, how much it has impacted us. Therefore, state government is very upset, and if they are giving deadlines to do, and I'm pursuing that, traffic should be open. So, God blessing, I could come through if this far. So, if I want, I can go through, but I want to see the new road which has been built. This road was under my direction. I knew one day we'll face problems, so we should have alternative, and that's why I think you have traveled that line also. You travel, so it is newly built. I'm not gone through, but I'm going to see. The road culverts are done, soiling, metaling is done. So for light vehicle, there is no issue.
Sir, last question. Capital Road, 2015-16, the ministry was 400 crore. Dishe, to sanction kurise package 1-2 to khotom hoishi koi ase. Olibi sir, public kan bishi duk pai ase. Itu laga opore sir, apni babe ki koi sir? Chanbin kure ase na nai?
Minister in charge of National Highway, Mr. T.R. Zilek, had given a statement that the last portion, the landowners, they're demanding their land compensation. And there is no land compensation component. That's why it is held up. And so we hope good sense will prevail, because road is for everybody.
But then the Christian Sumiho has denounced his statement saying that that is not true. Just recently, yesterday.
Then you ask him, that is his answer to us.